Hello everyone, welcome to N's Easy Recipes. I hope you all are doing well. Today I will be making vanilla cake, you can call it plain cake. Today I will be talking in English because some of my friends and colleagues, they have requested me to conduct this session in English for their better understanding. Let's see what ingredients are needed to make a plain cake. We will need eggs, vanilla essence, baking powder, sugar, flour and butter. So first of all, we'll take weight of the eggs. So let me switch on. So I'm putting the eggs on this pot. I have taken 8 eggs and it weighs 450 grams, right? So I'll keep them aside here. So first thing that I need to do is mix the butter and the sugar together. So I'll take measurement of the butter, which should be equal to the eggs weight. So I have butter here 460, it's only 10 grams more, so it's perfectly fine. I will take this butter into this mixing bowl. I'll keep this for a while so that I can grease the baking tray. Right, so I've taken 2 butter over here, which weighs 460 grams. So I'm taking 460 grams of sugar. I have 447 over here. So I will add a bit more to make it 460. Oops, now it's too much, so I'll put some back. Yeah, perfect. With a whisk, you can use an electric whisk as well. You have to mix butter and sugar very well together. The butter is still a bit hard. What I will do, I will use this spatula to make it into small pieces so that I can mix it easily. So when the butter is soft enough, you don't have to struggle with all these things. I mean, it should have been very easy to mix with the whisk. But you know, I just kept it out from the fridge a while ago, so but it should be fine in few minutes. So the sugar already has mixed well with the butter. Now I will start adding eggs to this mixture. So I will now mix the eggs with the butter and sugar. See, the butter already has melted, and with the egg it's easy to mix all together. I'll add half teaspoon of vanilla essence with it. And mix well until all ingredients are mixed well with each other. So I will switch on the oven now at 200 degrees, both sides. Let the oven be preheated. When we were young, I've seen my mother and my grandma also to mix it with their hands, you know. So for this recipe, I mean, it's a very simple and easy recipe. You don't have to have an egg beater or an electric whisk. Just you know, just mix well together. That's it. All right. So at this stage, I'll add the baking powder. So I will add 2.5 spoonful. So this is one. I will just separate them a bit with my finger so that they don't stick together, so there is no clot. 2.5. So this is half. Right, done. Mix well again. Mix well again. At this stage, if you want to add carrots, or lemon zest, or any fruits or dry fruits you want to add with it, or even bananas sometimes if you want to make a banana cake. So you should put that, so those
just
things
keep it aside
and mix them at this stage before you
bring back
mix the
my
flour. Measure scale. So at this stage I need to take something, a bowl over here, right? Switch it on. And add the flour. So just turn off the fan here. Okay. So we have to okay, that's enough. Usually I take flour a little bit of less quantity than the other ingredients so that the cake doesn't get too much dry. Now I will mix the flour to the mixture, right? So now I'll add the remaining of the flour. You'll have to put them all together. So it's well mixed now. Now I'll put it into the baking tray. With the butter. So I've put them into two baking trays. Now I will put them inside the oven. After 50 minutes, the cake is perfectly baked. I hope you found this recipe very easy to make. It also does not require a lot of ingredients. So if you like the recipe, please like and share with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be coming at least once a week with easy, healthy, and delicious recipes. Stay tuned. Take care. Bye for today.